Hi, and welcome to Crypto Revolution. I'm William Woody. Now, I am not here as a financial advisor. This is not financial advice or any such capacity as that. I am just here to show you what's cool and what your options are. Today, I'm all about PumpRush, the fastest trading tool on Solana. It is a Solana trading tool which is made specifically, especially for Pump.fun token scalping. This is the only trading tool with that sole focus. This is the place you do that nowhere else. And they don't do anything beyond that. It has the ability to make the fastest entries on the Solar chain. And it combines that with an ease of use and a one-of-a-kind user experience, a user interface, with a heat map and fountain view that make it absolutely perfect for whatever your experience level is, if you're a newcomer or if you know the lay of the land. Let's check out their little promo video here. Sweet little beat with it. Here's that UI we were talking about, the heat map. Looks very slick, very user-friendly, and all that. Tips to get more reach on your content to win big. Educate users about how to make money on pumprush.fun. Share tips, tricks, and cool features. So they're thinking it through. They got it all going on there. And they have a crazy, ultra-fast turbo engine with ultra-fast entries and exits. Demo trading mode, heat map, and fountain view. Let's check out their website. They have been audited on Dex Screener. Let's look at their white paper. Mission and vision, autopilot, automated trading, manual control, efficiency and consistency, demo testing, test strategies in paper trading before using real money. I like that, safety of that. Token distribution, locking mechanism. Total of 5% of the development team's tokens are progressively locked based on market cap milestones. I like that as an anti-rug pull feature, so there's a reason to trust them. Everything is in order here. I also appreciate that the white paper isn't white, so I'm not staring at a light bulb while I overview it. Very classy. And they've got a competition, 350k in Rush. So third place is a week of premium access with 50k in Rush, 100k in Rush, and 200k in Rush. So competition resets every Sunday at noon UTC. Rush Pools. Platform where skilled demo traders can build their reputation and attract real investments from community members. Investors can pool their funds to back these traders, allowing them to trade securely with the PumpRush.fun platform. Well, everyone earns a share of the profits. I like that. You find a trader you like, you put a little money in his corner, and everybody wins. You back the right horse, and it all goes well. The PumpRush was built primarily with the goal to make trading so simple and intuitive that virtually anyone, even a total noob, which all of us were at some point, is easily able to understand and get a piece of the action. The origin of this platform revolves around its founder. He initially designed it as a tool for his children to learn how to trade safely and effectively. It's so sweet. The concept of this family-driven combined focus on precision, accessibility, and user empowerment serves as a central theme in all marketing communications. So they have got everything set up here for simplicity and precision. Anybody can trade like a pro. They've got everything set up here in a very nice way. We got demo mode, Guys, I like what I see, and it's only in beta. So I would say check it out. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the revolution.